Now we're one into it. Now this one right here, I'm wringing it out as we speak. And then I'll get another one to get a little better. This is how I recommend doing it. Yeah. Get these little beads off of it. That's the first time around. And then here we'll hit the other side. Let me wring this out. Wring it out. Okay, wring it out. And we'll get the major off of it. And then we'll pull out the dry one. We hit these windows and the trunk lid and the mirror. Now I gotta get the trunk lid real quick. Now I'll bring this out. I'm just gonna grab another one. Let me do that. And here's my 3 that I started with. I still got them left. Yeah, look at this. Water spots are horrible on black car, let me tell you. But I don't miss anything. Chrome, nothing, you shouldn't. Look at that baby. Hit that front bumper. Ooh, baby. Well, here you have it, folks. (1973) Dodge Charger. H code. TX9. Paint code. 2,811 of this car produced. Less than that with this color code combination. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. God bless.